this is where the alarm starts, from this door here. So the alarm is here, then you have a sensor over there, that's your entrance. Then deactivate it from here, and then you have the main panel, which that's probably explained to you, which is over here. That's over here. That's where the main panel is. And also, you remember, CCTV switch here, if Ash didn't mention. Then we have another detector in this corner here. And then you also have a door contact here. Then on this side, you have another detector here. There's nothing on this door, but there's something on this door here. There's a contact on this door, and there's also a detector here. So that is the alarm system.